One drug baron where NDLEA officials don't they find since. They don't they find this man, they don't even declare him wanted. All of a sudden, you know, this man don't surface the earth, he don't come back. This time when he come back, he can't show him body. He can't prepare us to show us say he no go anywhere in their life. This man where his name na Tony Chidi, or better they call him. The NDLA declared this man saying they wanted because of say he carry some kind of drugs, all this, you know, heroin, cocaine, all those kind, impact and enter inside Nigeria. And this one, he carry and enter through South Africa. All these people be say they go there airport, I know they understand. There they know they search inside all these people back go, I be they go just they watch medicine, I know they know how to take one. But they gather and Nigeria, this thing can't enter inside the country. And since then, now they don't find this man. They don't see this man, all of a sudden now, this man can't come outside. Ego dollar, come begin they share money. I don't know what thing they celebrate. Come start here, they spray money inside church. My people beg, make now follow me watch. This pastor don't overcast. This pastor don't cast because if they do their investigation, NGLA must carry this pastor. Because he knows something about, they see the bundles of money where this man is spraying inside church. Not be club with you. Not be passing inside church. And we gotta say the heroin where this man even import enter inside Nigeria. It is worth 6.5 billion naira on the same money. Now that kind of money, now a person can't gather. Get more, you will be saying, you know, so they find you. You can't even gather more, enter church. Say you won't go they spray. When you be party. And they say people where they make their money legal. All this gra where this man, they know they do. You don't ever sit down, go money, carry money, they spray, fear, the way where this man they do. But people where be say their money no pure. Illegal money, not them. You go see their clothes, bling, their suit, shoulder part go full on. All because of say they just won't show their self. They go they misbehave anyhow. And all this one join, waiting make all this our Nigerian boys now. Their behavior don't change. All of them won't get money. They won't do Yahoo just by force. Because of say, people they spray money. But how then these people they get this money? They don't know. But I shall say last, so this pastor, they go arrest them. Because if NDLA won't do their, what they call them, investigation, they're supposed to go meet this pastor. Mr. Pastor, I beg you, this man will call your church. We are in there. Now, I spray you money, and you say if you don't chop out of this money, so they're supposed to even carry you self join. And now all these kind of pastors, and then they spoil Christianity. Person go see pastor, you go to say, hey, this pastor no good, this pastor no do this thing. All this one join. You know, say they declare this man just 3 days ago, say they find this man. You now, the man come call your church, boldly walker. Carry money, they spray. They do anyhow, saying like, you say if you did it, they pray for. I bet which kind of prayer they pray for? But anyway, make a note to talk. As you be pastor, maybe you get the power to settle this case. Maybe you go pray to God, say, may God cancel this case. Or maybe me, I even reason say, this man will come this church. Maybe in Babalawo don't tell and say, the only way to make this thing sorted now, make him enter church, go, you know, spray money, go show himself. So I really say, all this one join. Maybe this one a peace offering for them. But I beg, man of God, I shall say now, EFCC go down there on top your matter. They go down there eye you because we know them now, they know they waste time. As now the man don't showcase himself. We suppose that money we even collect. If you just go sit down for one place, they chop out small. But you say gra. Over Sabino go let some people rest. I shall say soon, Mr. Man, Mr. Tony, I shall say that they find you. Anywhere where you dey, they're saying they on their own. But I shall say you no go take, they go see you. And I see what our Nigerian brothers they do a bit. My people I beg, I hear this one. I can't make a bring and come. Make na service in our ear. Yeah, what they happen. Anything now feel, make not forget to write them inside the comments. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. NICDC don't arrest 2 men when they catch them with 173 parcels of Igbo. Not be 20, not be 10. 173, they pack and like parcel. Now they see creativity. People really good. In fact, Nigerian thieves are big criminals. They suppose they give them degree. Maybe they go school collect certificate because see as person reason this thing, parcel and pack and well. Say one go they do delivery. According to Castina Command, where name now Mohammed Tuka, they say they arrest this men and based on tip-off. Then some say they don't they do amebo. Person tell them say okay, say this Igbo they won't go do delivery. Our Malians, and I don't start delivery service because I hear say this Igbo now all the way from Lagos. On I know myself. I sure say now go don gather this thing. And say person wey even carry this thing in dey on the run, they never even see am. And people beg, make na follow me watch.
Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, through its own efforts of tackling all forms of crime and criminalities, was able to successfully arrest some people suspected of being in possession of some banned substances. The Corps initially got tipped off to our security operatives who were on patrol, and they were able to pinpoint the exact location of the item and the suspect, leading to such arrests.
Malian people on our handwork don't even reach inside Castina. Because as the matter being, I can't dey surprise. People even carry this thing. 50 years old man. Old man we suppose don't go sit down, they retire. Now you can't think of Igbo business. I beg you, wait. If let's say I saw this business money stay inside well now. Because upon everything we talk, inside now 50,000. Ordinary 50,000, now they won't pay you. Now you won't come go kill yourself. For Igbo. Igbo will be say all these police will even arrest yourself. They sit down for corner, they smoke up. They even plant them for, in fact, on a normal day, you go even see Igbo for road. Now you won't come go risk your life because of 50,000 naira. But now something I go make something bend. Because if say work there, if say better thing there for this man and this boy. I'm not sure say two of them go sit down say na this kind of work they do. But hope say my people, hope say na they see, say this whole people where they catch, they come from Katsina State. Now from their side, yeah, make them not come they talk say na tribalism been na something and they cause all this wahala. They don't see and say na their own people na them. Now I go carry this thing say they want they do delivery work. And they talk and say the man will carry this thing where they even find, his name na Gaddafi. Say he even use trick on them. Say he carry fish. Person say na stock fish now this trailer carry before they go see. Oga don't go hide the book inside the thing. You wait, say some people feel they even chop this fish now they go they hide. Make na don dey reason am. Because if it means say this Igbo don't go mix with this fish. Make na no come dey chop, come dey behave like person wey don dey craze. Make na know say they catch one person now. Make na dey hear am now. But I beg, this kind man, what if you're on I don't even understand some people. Say because the money is too small for me. Because I shall say this prison where they will carry them, this one go now. Money where you go even spend, you go even pass the money where you collect. So why you don't go reason and say, okay, make I even collect pay where be say if they even bust you, you don't go even to pay you. You go reason and say, okay, you don't sacrifice something to take gain something. Some people when they go just they do business, in fact, and they know they even reason. If go be say now, boys. In fact, they're not even supposed to ship this thing all the way from Lagos. That Kaduna been where it is of Castina alone. They go see her for grand. Now person can go the risk in life. Some people cannot talk say they no guessings, but true or no guessings. My people, I beg, I hear this one. I want to make a bring am, make a service in our ear. Hear what they happen inside this Nigeria where we did. And this way in our film, make no forget to write them for the comment section. Make no also forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.